Hey, welcome back to Ravenwood Acres, and today we're going to just talk real quick about an excellent pair of gloves. When I come across a product that I really just think that you guys should know about, especially, if you're in the market, for gloves, which, if you work at all outside with your hands, so on and so forth, you're probably in that market. You don't have to be a homesteader. You don't have to be a gardener. You don't have to be any of those. Just simple mowing your lawn, throwing a pair of gloves on helps, protect your hands, which are valuable in many ways, which most people underestimate the value of their hands. Many people make their living with their hands. So this pair is a Wells Lamont. This model is called the Hydra Hide. I picked up a 3-pack of these at Costco for, I believe, around $19.99. I probably should have, captured that stuff in the beginning, but I wasn't sure what I was going to think of them. However, as months and months and months of use have gone by, and I've been using primarily 2 out of the 3-pack. I have not used the 3rd set. I have been absolutely 100% satisfied, which is honestly, with gloves, is not very often, especially ones that are kind of what I call like a hybrid glove between fabrics, when you got a kind of a synthetic fabric and a leather area, palm and finger area. The first thing that usually goes out is stitching. As you see here, some stitching is blown out, and that's kind of what cued this video. However, most of the time I've experienced this with that stitching fails before the leather starts to wear through or fail. If you notice here, in several spots on these gloves, the leather has nearly worn through. And I'm not done with these. They're not completely done. I've been using them all day today. Probably use them all day tomorrow. Yeah, spring projects are full swing here in Ravenwood Acres, and they will continue to be until I head out of town. So I hope you find this useful. I will provide the link of Amazon, but you can of course find them at your local hardware type big box stores, because Wells Lamont is a well-known glove making company. So I highly recommend you check them out and try out a pair, because in my opinion, you'll be definitely happy you did. So thanks for watching this Nomad 76.